Welcome. My name is XIAOMI 11T, and today I will show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notification panel from the right side. The reason why you need to do it from the right side is because you get the actual notifications on the left side. So from right side you get these actual toggles. And from here, simply look for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which we have it right over here once you extend it. So once you find it, you can simply hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. So it should be somewhere below. There we go, Do Not Disturb. So we have basically just a couple of settings right here. The actual toggle to turn it on, schedule when the device is locked, so that is when you enable this. And this, the Do Not Disturb mode will only function when you're not using your device. When it's lit up like this, it will function as though the mode is turned off. Then you also have the notify about callers, and you have choice between everyone, contacts, favorites, and no one. And last, we have notified about repeated callers, so whatever you select right here, it will be bypassed by this option if someone calls twice within a 15-minute period. So these are all the settings right here. And anyway, once you go through all of them, you can simply enable it by either doing it through the settings or by doing it through here, like so. And additionally, if you want with a schedule route, you don't actually need to turn it on right here. Just make sure that the schedule is toggled on. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.